Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said it's beyond your imaginations and you cannot define it. You cannot define the things that I will do in your life soon. You'll see it all in your eyes. You will have lots of success. You have lots of strength in me. You are fearless to face the giants in your life because you depend on me. You're carrying a heavy anointing and you will share the anointing that I released to you into many people to whom I will give it. You will be my precious vessel. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.